Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a little bit, not really, about 5 days. That's not normal though, but I've been moving. We're now all moved into our place in Dallas and I'm super hyped. As you all can see, I got a little plant in the background. We're slowly getting things for our place, but a moving vlog will be coming later this week, so you all stay tuned. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all an extremely beginner-friendly unit from WowAfrican. I love these bags that their units come in. I always say that, but I love them. The unit that I'm going to be showing you all today is their improved 360 Yaki straight unit, and y'all know, if y'all been following me, I love beyond natural extensions. The Yaki straight texture is my favorite texture because it mimics our hair texture so well, and they knocked it out the park. This unit looks so good. The pre-plucked hairline all around the entire circumference of the unit looks amazing. You really don't have much work to do, if any at all. And it also comes with an elastic band. They now have their logo on the elastic band, and this one is really good for being able to put your unit on, having it lay flat, and if you're wearing a middle part, you really won't have to lay it down with any glue, gel, or anything. So right now I'm just putting the unit on to show you all what we're working with, and y'all, this lace is so beautiful. The knots have already been bleached and you can tell that it's high quality. As you all can see, I am just loving it so far. You can put this unit up in a ponytail. You can do so many different styles, and the hairline, although I'm going to do a little bit of work to it, it looks really good. One thing that I always love about their units is how thin the lace is, and it's very easy to melt their lace because of how it's made. It's really top quality. I just love that about their lace. So now putting the unit on the mannequin head, you all can see how well the unit was pre-plucked. And as you can see on the mannequin head versus on my head, if you're someone with a lighter skin tone, the work that they've done is going to show up so much better. But I'm going to tint the lace currently, just turning it over, and I'm going to remove the elastic band on one side because I found that when I leave it on, it gets all over the elastic band, and I don't want that to happen. So right now I'm just smoothing the hair in the front out of the way, and I'm currently using Deep Glow Airburst Spray by Sally Hansen. Now usually I transfer it directly onto the lace, but in order to keep from having to clean it off and the excess getting on the hair, I decided to spray it directly on my brush and then stipple it on that way. So then there's less transfer. So you all try that and you won't have to worry about the product being all over the hairline. So now I'm just cutting off the lace in the front, and then I'm going to proceed to install the unit and show you all how I melt that lace. Y'all, this hair straightened so beautifully. Look at that movement and that bounce. It looks so good. And although I got it in length 18, it really looks like length 20. So you do get a great deal of length for your money. So now I'm going to proceed to use my Got To Be glue, and I'm going to lay down the front. But again, if you do not want to use any wig glue or gel like I'm using, then skip this step, use the elastic band, and that's going to cause it to lay really flat. But for me, because of how my head is shaped, the sides do kind of lift, so you can just apply the Got To Be glue on the side if you do not desire to apply it to the entire parameter. Y'all, this wig is no joke. The way this lace melts into the skin so nicely is just freaking amazing. And y'all, if I didn't have a low hairline, you wouldn't see those peaks, so I wouldn't need baby hair. I actually wanted to go for no baby hair, but I have a low hairline and it doesn't fully cover my edges, so I needed baby hair. Now I'm using a foundation stick just to cover up the area that kind of looks a little discolored. So we're just going to make everything blend and continue this process. Yes, WowAfrican did it again. This unit is looking fabulous. Now I'm just going to put on a satin scarf, let it set for a little bit, and then we're going to be finished. Now, this is how a Yaki straight unit should be done. WowAfrican did a phenomenal job with this wig. It looks so, so beautiful. I got mine in 150% density, but it actually looks like 180, so it's gonna be very full. I actually didn't spray anything on the hair, and it has a really beautiful sheen to it. It feels very nice to the touch. I did not experience any shedding, tangling, or anything. Their hair is very, very good hair, and this is one of the companies that I really, really enjoy a great deal. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share this video with a friend and look out for my vlog that's coming at the end of the week. I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.